can you focus on me?
Channel.
Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, hot faucet running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up.
Okay.
Run for five.
Oh, that's right. Mama, damn YouTube. Look here.
Can you focus on
Yes.
me? Baby, can you focus
Cheers,
on
guys.
me? Baby, can you focus on me?
To bring things back together. No matter how much the destruction has been, no matter how broken the pieces have been, no matter how difficult and how long the situation has, there's nothing irredeemable. Amen. Jesus is in the business. For this cause was he manifested, that he should destroy the works of the devil. As the devil ravaged your life, can you
What does it take? I just like this, the way I've captured you. Yes, welcome. Welcome to Tuku's YouTube channel. You want brown rice? Which one?
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're old, welcome back. Please subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Don't forget to like, share and comment. So happy Sunday. Today is Sunday and I'm just from church. Church was a blessed service. It was speaking about the pastor was preaching on wholeness, so it was really a lovely service. Right now I'm at Lewanika Mall and I'm with my mom. I'm planning to take her for lunch. I haven't even told her yet because she's very difficult and she's been moody the whole week. So I was like, let me take her for lunch abruptly. So I think I'll take her to Nando's because that's like her favorite place to eat from. And then, yeah, I'll probably be heading home. We just came to get a few groceries for home. Yeah, other than that, I hope you guys went for church and I hope you guys are having a lovely Sunday, or you had a lovely Sunday because you might watch this next week, Sunday. So yeah, my name is Tukujoy. I hope I mentioned that, and please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and to share with your friends and also comment. Guys, I don't know any other places apart from Nando's here. Oh, there's Capello and I've had food from Capello and it's nice, but my mom doesn't like dramatic places. I feel like she'll think it's dramatic, and I think she's seen it somewhere, and I remember her saying, hey, this is a bar, what. So I think we'll just go with Nando's. I also personally love the food from Nando's. That's like one of my favorite places to eat from, so I think we'll go with Nando's.
Sothandweni mbona ngehlanyuka ngifuna wena mbona wena wedwa sothandweni mbona ngehlanyuka ngifuna wena angifuna omunye umuntu angifuna omunye umuntu angifuna omunye umuntu baby ngisemathandweni baby ngisemathandweni bona ngehlanyuka ngifuna wena bona wena wedwa.
Outfit of the day for Sunday: jeans, slippers. I don't know if you can see. Anyway, I'm so late, so I should probably run. Hi guys, so my mom refused to eat from Nando's, her stomach pains, so I had to cook. That's why you've seen I was cooking instead of us going for a lunch date. But I have a date with my friends from grade 8 and I'm really late. My ride or dies. Anyway, my friends from grade 8. I'll explain more afterwards. Let me run because I have to pick up one of them and she's not the most patient of people. She's already texting me wondering where I'm at, and I'm out here giving you guys some tea about them. But anyway, let me go first and then I'll catch up with you guys.
Hey guys, welcome. I'm supposed to be looking. Okay, start again.
No, I'm not starting again.
No, start again.
I'm not. Finish what you want to say before you start
I was
lying at
supposed to be
Amraf.
looking. Yeah, Raf.
You
Okay,
look
because
adorable.
we're not posting.
This is my friend from Israel.
Stop
You guys,
that video.
this girl.
No, let's
This
start again.
is ride or die one. Now I'm waiting for ride or die two. The most dangerous ride or die of them all is the person we are waiting for,
Yeah.
and she's late.
No, the most dangerous one is the same one. She takes position number 1.
No,
Yeah.
no.
Yeah.
There was a way that I explained about us in a certain video. I'll show you. Wait, but
I
yeah,
haven't seen those videos.
no, because this is when this vlog is starting.
No, Tukuza, but still more. How come from?
Anyway, my
Okay,
girl is
from
back
Ride or
from
Die.
Israel, you guys.
Why am I not in her intro?
She's
Or
back.
what?
I'm so glad you're safe and you didn't die with the bombs. It's not even funny. We were worried.
Okay, Tukuza, I hope you don't post.
I'm
Because if you
posting.
post, I'm going to delete.
We are going
Okay,
to buy
no,
ice cream
no.
now. We came for a movie, but then we came like 40 minutes late. And
2 minutes, 1 hour.
no, 40 minutes late, and Vesa is not here. So until Vesa comes, we are going to buy ice cream, right?
Yeah, but Tukuza, we need to start this.
I'm sure you guys know this girl. She got dance awards,
Okay,
you know.
Tukuza, we need to start.
I need to brag about my friends.
I'm sothandweni mbona ngehlanyuka ngifuna wena wedwa angifuna omunye umuntu angifuna omunye umuntu angifuna omunye umuntu angifuna omunye umuntu. You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele oh, they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on it. Show them Gangnam.
Sometimes you don't talk, but if you don't put me on the bridle, I'll be where we are.
Who's on the whole squad from Vice?
All these people she posts. What are their names? I don't know some of their
I
names.
don't know their names, but I just know they have different faces.
I know their names.
I don't know their names.
Do you believe yourself?
So me too. At Muntua.
We'll fight. You told me you were hoping. You bet to go to
Bimahu. Now I know you're taking a video.
Yes.
So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
She should do it.
In case you guys don't know, me and her both have the same middle name. So welcome back to Joy's channel.
Joy Squared.
Yeah. Okay, right now we're waiting for our mocktails.
Our cocktails are here. It's fine. I'm catching them. Blue Lagoon.
Maybe I should have gotten. You take proper pictures of these things because they're for your blog.
I really appreciate the
Hey guys, welcome back to Tuko Joy's channel. What am I doing?
You're supposed to welcome the new people.
Wait for real, I'm blank. Hi guys.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Besosa. That's her. Hi. This is the most dramatic person in the group.
Can I have a Fanta?
And then this one, this is the celeb person. This one can bail us out if we are in trouble. And then there's me, the quiet one.
Oh my
Don't
god,
say
the
much.
lawyer, the business owner, everything. Our big buyer.
It's a lie. This is my food. This is Chico's food. We got the same drinks, similar food, Besa as usual.
Different. In my own lane.
I hope this food is
This
nice.
was supposed to be
Hi guys. Where's Besa?
sun now.
Hi guys.
Hi. I said the sun is still not following me. Posting things with the person.
Yes.
Okay.
We are done with our lunch date and we
Yeah.
had such a nice time. Say you had a nice time with me.
We had a nice time with Kuza. Argued. We pressured our waiter.
Man, we just generally had a nice
Yeah, we
time.
had a nice time.
And it was nice to catch up after a long time. After a long time. The last time we connected was on Besa's birthday.
That was 21.
That was 2021.
2020. 2020. Yeah. She's right.
Yes, anyway, bye guys.
Bye. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe,
like button.
comment, you know.
Drop a comment
Yeah.
for whoever you
Tell your
want to
friends to
date.
come subscribe. Hey.
Yeah, you better not stop. You got 24 seconds. Can you beat the shot? Put you waiting on look daddy. I ain't got that.
I just want to put it out here that once upon a time we were Sadiza and we had lip gloss.
Yes,
we
guys,
would have
please
been
support our company.
would have been multi-millionaires by now.
No, we still could be. So guys,
We even used to write books. Do you remember? Besa used to write. She used to write books about guys named, I don't know, Eric. You even had Bethany.
Yeah.
Bethany. She liked Bethany. Guys, we're supposed to be going home, but we made another stop with the big buyer, with the big nyash. As in, Besosa. Cheers, because Chicken Tipota's ice cream. Our big buyer. Look at her paying for our ice cream. We irritate. Aye. Big buyer, guys, big buyer.
God, it smells so much the camera. Big guy.
Come on now.
I've been falling 500 ashes, and I don't wanna tell you to drop me, but I don't wanna play your fair, yeah. So,
Hi guys, I'm at work now. Happy Monday. Yesterday was such a nice time. I think I was trying to explain that Chikondi used to be she's the chilled one, but then she fires penalties a lot, whereas I is the most talkative. Anything just slips out of her mouth. And then for me, I think I talk a lot, but unlike this, I think I have breaks. Yeah. So basically today I'm working practically up to 16:30, and then yeah, we'll head home and do whatever we can do at home. Yeah, I had such a nice time, you guys. Like, it was so refreshing to be with those guys, and I think we'll do that more often. We spoke about how we need to be interconnecting a lot, and we realized yesterday that we've been friends for like 10 years, because we became friends in 2013 in grade 8 at St. Mary's. So yeah, I was so glad to be with them. Like, those guys, even in school, everyone knew that we were so close. So I think it was such a necessary thing. It was much needed and stuff. Yeah, so I'll catch up with you guys a little bit later. Let me start getting.
That makes me look at you too often. Baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby.
Good morning, guys. I haven't bathed. It's 6:45 and I'm by the baking shop because I had an order for today and I didn't have cupcake boxes. I didn't have Fino Whip, so I can't cream the cakes, I can't pack the cakes. So I just came to the bake shop. Luckily, she's so kind and she always accepts my emergency orders. Last time I was here like at 18. Today it's this time at 6:45 and she's like, I'm on my way. Well, we are just lucky that her house is just next to the shop, and she's so ready to do business at any time. Love it for the girlies. Anyway, other than that, I hope I make it in time, cream the cakes, and they actually remain waiting for the customer to pick them up or to courier them to wherever they are going. I hope you guys had a nice night. I haven't yet done my devotion, but I've been praying with worship music this whole morning. I'll see you guys after we get the boxes and yeah, when I'm ready for work. Guys, we managed this one bake.
Baby, I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't want to leave, you know why.
Guys, I'm a superstar. I've made it to work on time. Let me just get inside and be as relaxed as possible. I was rushing like, yo. But we managed to cream the cakes. We managed to buy the Fino. We managed to buy the boxes. And we managed to get to work on time. So it's a happy Tuesday. We've ticked off things off our to-do list. So I'll see you guys soon, because we have more baking sprees and drama and work as usual.
Wouldn't want to bleed, even my heart, my mind, and my body. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave, you know I wouldn't wanna bleed, even my heart, my mind, and my body.
Sothandwela mbona ngehlanyuka ngifuna wena mbona wena wedwa sothandwela Bona ngehlanyu ngifuna wena wedwa angifuna omunye umuntu angifuna omunye umuntu angifuna omunye umuntu angifuna omunye umuntu baby this is my time
Hi guys, welcome to a new day in the vlog. I know we just started off, at Code and whatnot. Today was Cholwe's Code. Cholwe is a friend that I made at my previous workplace, and I was just so happy for her. She invited me like on Sunday, and yeah, I had to make it. I had to get her something at least to show that I support her, and I'm very happy that she's being admitted to the bar. Please, like, we prayed for that. Anyway, this is when I'm having my lunch. This is the time I usually have my lunch, though. This is like 13, but today I'm having something different. I'm having fruits because Aunt Cara didn't think of me. That's what I can say. But anyway, guys, basically that's it for today. Code day. That's all we did, and make a pretty cake. You guys should be ordering your cakes from me. Please support my small business. I appreciate. I'll see you guys at home. Right now, let me eat and get some work done. Good morning, guys. I'm so late, you guys. But I had to get Ngoso's gift given to her today because I'm meeting her because she ordered a cake from me. So yeah, let's try to get to work on time and also gift Ngoso on time. I'll see you guys. Your thighs are all over in my video. Sorry. It's okay. Give me some.
No, I can't. Ella, I won't even give anyone.
Why?
Nobody.
Do you stay near Mangala's place?
Yeah.
But then why are you putting in the sun? And when that one drops, you're going to cry. Baby. I get you.
Baby G, kiss 3 times before you open. Warm and special congratulations. Hi.
So why do you?
Gorgeous. Congratulations on your graduation. Wow. LLB graduate, I'm super proud of you. This is only the beginning.
Why are you crying?
My badass lawyer. I pray for more wins in your life, and I know my God can fail.
You're laughing?
I love it. I'm not laughing.
I'm glad you love it. Stop crying. Look, show yourself on the camera.
Oh my God. And that's on 1. You were born doing yes. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I love it so much.
It loves you also. Morning, guys. We currently have no power, and I need to bake a cake. Well, not to bake. I baked it and froze it, but I'm supposed to cream it today because she wants to collect it today. I'm actually supposed to make, I think, 2. One mini actual cake and one bento cake. So this is me just in bed, realizing that I don't have power and I don't know what I'm going to do, but I have to do it, whatever it is, so that cake can go. But yeah, I didn't speak to you guys yesterday, Friday. I don't know why. I think I forgot to vlog yesterday, but yeah, I just hope power comes back. I'm starting to do my devotion. I woke up, I've been waking up in intervals, but then this is when I'm doing my devotion, just so that I can have sanity before I have a mental breakdown about why there's no electricity. and it's only gone at this house, not like everywhere else. Ish, God, you guys, I can't breathe.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus?